another episode of Crocheting with Akinyi. So for today, we want to learn how to make a chain and also how to hold the yarn. Okay guys, so from our previous lesson, if you can remember how to do a slip knot, we'll start by that. You fold your yarn as like so, take your hook, put it through the loop like that, pull it through like so, and there you have a slip knot. We'll tighten it a little bit so that it fits on the hook like so, and then we'll learn how to hold our yarn such that when we're using it, it will be going simply. You can now control the tension. Okay, so the yarn goes counterclockwise first over your little finger. The clock goes like 12, 1, 2, 3, but we'll go in this direction. So that means the yarn will come like so and go counterclockwise under your little finger, and then under your ring finger and your middle finger, and then over your index finger like so, and there you have it. Okay, then now we want to learn how to do the chain. Okay, so now that we have already learned how to hold the yarn, next we will learn how to make a chain. A chain is a foundation of most projects that you'll do using crochet, and like with anything, practice makes perfect. So if you don't get it the first time, don't give up, just try and try again. Okay, so here you'll take the hook. As you can see, I have my tension there and my yarn right there. Take the hook, take it over the yarn like so, hook it up, take the yarn, make sure it's right there inside the hook, okay, and pull it through the loop that you have. That's our initial slip knot. Okay, we'll do that again. Take the hook, take it over the yarn, pick up the yarn like so, and then pull it through like so. We can do that one last time. Take the hook, take it over the yarn, pick up the yarn and pull it through the hoop, the loop or hoop, whichever you like to call it. And there you have it. We have 3 chains, so you can continue as much as you like so, depending on the type of project. Maybe it's a scarf, maybe it's a blanket, maybe it's a dress, whatever it is. Mostly we use a foundation chain, but sometimes we also use a magic circle, which we'll learn at a later date. So this is probably something that you'll have. So this is a chain. Yeah, so next time we'll learn how to start. Now we'll start learning the stitches, but for now, thank you so much for watching up to here. Please subscribe for more and share this video if you know someone who wants to learn how to crochet, and I'll be sure to make this all worth your time. Thank you so much, and bye bye.